Alright, so just testing the wipers real quick. I just pulled myself up from under the dash. There we go. Look at where they're resting perfectly. Nice. Nice. I was under the dash. I was checking the dash lights. And it's definitely a ground issue. I chased around under there a little bit. Definitely going to have to take some more time. I think it's the actual grounds going to the cluster, which is strange because the courtesy light here, that shares a ground because it grounds through the metal here. So anyway, that's handled, that's done, other than fixing that. So we'll handle that when the car comes in for that tire replacement at some point later this month. But wipers are good, everything else is good. All right, so came back to my test drive and I noticed the idle was a little high, like Luciano was talking about. So of course, get everything off, checking the fuel, no fuel leaks, get the air cleaner off, and of course, radiator cap starts leaking every time. Of course it does when the car's getting ready to leak. So luckily we had one on the shelf, and we swapped it out. Car was hot, just swapped it out. So I hosed everything down here too to make sure there's no more coolant residue. Just adjust our carb, air cleaner back on. This is ready for you to pick up this one.